You already know that thousands of years ago dinosaurs once ruled this world, but have you ever seen a real photograph of a dinosaur? Probably not, because back then, cameras didn't exist, and humans weren't even around. But once cameras were invented in the 1800s, everything changed. Animal documentation became real, raw, and permanent. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 extinct animals whose last photos were actually captured on camera. Some of these will honestly shock you. Number 7. Quagga. At first glance, the quagga looked like a hybrid between a horse and a zebra. But in reality, it was actually a subspecies of zebra. Its body had a very unique stripe pattern completely different from modern zebras. These animals were found only in specific regions of South Africa. Back in the 16th and 17th centuries, wars between England and the Netherlands were ongoing. But after peace was established in the 1800s, Dutch and British settlers began hunting quaggas excessively. Eventually, in 1878, the last known quagga was captured in the Amsterdam Zoo. After it died, the zoo tried to bring another one but realized something horrifying. Due to human hunting, the quagga had already gone completely extinct. Number 6. Passenger pigeon. Around 100 years ago, passenger pigeons filled the skies of North America. They used to fly in such massive groups that they could literally block out the sky. Some flocks were so large it took hours for them to pass overhead. This means their population was once in the billions. But then humans realized they could get unlimited, free meat. And slowly these pigeons became breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As hunting continued daily, their population rapidly declined until they disappeared forever. The image you're seeing is of a captive passenger pigeon named Martha, kept at the Cincinnati Zoo in the USA. When Martha died on September 1st, 1914, the species was officially declared extinct. Number 5. Carolina parakeet. This was one of the most beautiful parrot species found in the forests of the southeastern United States. Their diet mainly consisted of fruits and seeds, especially from a plant called cocklebur, which is highly toxic. Interestingly, after eating these seeds, the parakeets themselves became poisonous. But their extinction wasn't caused by that. In the early 1900s, people in the US loved wearing clothes decorated with real animal feathers. Hats with parakeet feathers became extremely popular. As a result, these birds were hunted heavily for fashion. At the same time, farmers started killing them because they ate crop seeds. And slowly this beautiful bird vanished from the world. The picture you're seeing is of the last Carolina parakeet captured in 1918. Shockingly, it was kept in the same cage as Martha, the last passenger pigeon. Number 4. Thylacine, Tasmanian tiger. Also known as the Tasmanian tiger or Tasmanian wolf, this animal had no real connection to tigers or wolves. As the name suggests, it lived in Tasmania and parts of Australia. It was a carnivorous marsupial, meaning it carried its young in a pouch. It hunted smaller animals to survive. There were 2 main reasons behind its extinction. First, the introduction of dingoes, an ancient dog breed, brought into Australia by humans. These animals created competition for food. Because of this, thylacines disappeared from mainland Australia thousands of years ago. The second reason was the Tasmanian government itself. To protect livestock and maintain ecological balance, the government encouraged people to hunt them, and eventually they were wiped out completely. The image you're seeing is of the last known female thylacine, kept in a zoo in Tasmania. Number 3. Golden toad. First of all, don't confuse these with frogs. Toads and frogs are different amphibians. Golden toads were found only in the rainforests of Costa Rica. Their bright color made them stand out. They were first discovered in 1966, but by 1980, only 10 to 11 individuals were found in the entire rainforest, and by 1989, just 1 remained. After years of searching, in 2004, they were officially declared extinct. The main reason behind their rapid extinction was a deadly amphibian disease. This disease caused their skin to deteriorate, and since amphibians breathe through their skin, they couldn't survive. Even today, this disease continues to affect many amphibian species. On your screen is one of the last known images of golden toads, captured by Dr. J. Savage. Number 2. Booble hartebeest. This is an animal you've probably never seen before. The booble hartebeest lived in North Africa. It had a reddish-brown upper body, a lighter belly, and long curved horns. It was a herbivore. In 1830, when France colonized Algeria, excessive hunting began, leading to its decline. In 1917, a group of 15 booble hartebeests was spotted, but unfortunately, the person who saw them was a hunter. He killed 12 of them. The remaining 3 were all males, and eventually the species died out. The last known photograph of this animal was taken in 1933 at a zoo in Paris. Number 1. Barbary lion. This lion species no longer exists today. It was a subspecies of the African lion. Barbary lions lived in the Atlas Mountains of North Africa, where the climate was cold. Because of this, their fur was darker and much thicker, covering their body from head to toe. Unlike African lions, which only have manes around their heads, Barbary lions had heavy fur across their entire body. They were extremely powerful and dangerous. In ancient times, they were even used in gladiator battles, but due to excessive hunting by humans, they were declared extinct in 1940. However, something incredible happened. In 1942, a French photographer named Marceline Flandrin, who was flying over Morocco, spotted a Barbary lion through his binoculars. He quickly took out his camera and captured what became one of the most famous photos ever. Because even after being declared extinct, this lion was still seen. So these were some of the last photographs of extinct animals ever captured on camera. It's honestly shocking how many species disappeared because of humans. Now tell me which one surprised you the most. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more powerful and mind-blowing content like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.